Welcome to another edition of Smalltalk for You. This morning I wanted to go back to inspectors and show you that inspectors are live things in the system. So if I take this, I'm going to create an interval from 1 to 100 by 20. So we'll take a look at this, inspect it. And you see that when I bring this up, I've got my interval from 1 to 100 by 20. So I've got 1, 21, 41. If I'd wanted it to be 0 to 20, obviously I'd go from 0 to 100. But in any case, you see how this works. Let's go ahead and change this 20 to 11. So we'll go ahead and bring this up and do save. So you notice what I did. I changed the value and then I hit save. And now let's go back over here. Notice I've changed the interval. So an inspector on an object, you're editing the actual values of that object. So I'm inspecting an interval. I'm changing the interval if I change something in it. Likewise, if I come down here to this prompter, so let's go ahead and create a new prompter. And we'll inspect this. Now notice it doesn't pop up the prompter yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to options and open up a little workspace at the bottom. And I'll just do self prompt, and that will make this guy open up when I do an execute on this. So you see that this guy has a prompt with the message prompt up there. So let's cancel that. What we're going to do is we're going to change the title to something else. So let's just put in a nonsense word, and we'll save this. And now we'll come down here and do a prompt again. Execute, and you can see there I've got my nonsense word. So when you inspect, if you change anything in here, you're changing the object you're inspecting. The inspector is not just an inspector, it's kind of a surgery tool for objects. You can go in and do anything you like with them. And that means if you're inspecting a system object, you want to be very careful. If you were to go back to the thing I was inspecting the last time we did this, CW constants, you'd want to be very careful about changing things there because those are constants used throughout the system. If you change something, things might start working badly or not at all. So you have incredible power, but you want to be very careful about how you choose to use it. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.